Here's what moved markets today. Geopolitical tensions between U.S. and Iranian forces intensified, with reports of exchanges of military strikes for a second consecutive night, raising concerns about the durability of existing ceasefire arrangements. Energy markets responded to the escalation, with oil prices advancing on renewed regional instability. Bitcoin rose above $62,000, with the move occurring during a period when on-chain data indicated accumulation activity from larger wallet addresses. The price recovery coincided with reduced selling pressure following the recent period of sustained declines towards $61,000. Three of Japan's largest banking institutions announced a partnership to develop a yen-denominated stablecoin, targeting a 2027 launch timeline. The initiative reflects continued Japanese financial sector engagement with digital payment infrastructure alongside existing US dollar-pegged stablecoin products in the market. US inflation data showed acceleration to its highest level since early 2023, contributing to pressure on risk asset sentiment across traditional and digital markets. The reading reinforces expectations for an extended Federal Reserve pause on interest rate reductions and adds complexity to the current monetary policy outlook. CME Group launched cryptocurrency index futures contracts, providing regulated exposure to a basket including Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP. The product expansion extends the exchange's regulated derivatives offerings and provides institutional participants with diversified crypto index exposure through established futures infrastructure. Prediction market trading volume on the 2026 FIFA World Cup surpassed $2 billion, with Spain and France attracting the highest probability estimates among tournament participants, according to current contract pricing. The milestone reflects continued growth in event outcome trading activity around major international sporting events. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:45 Central European Time, gains and losses are relatively balanced, with modest moves on both sides. ZK Sync up 9.28%, Knight Protocol adding 8.09%, and Layer 0 gaining 6.22%. High single-digit strength across zero-knowledge scaling, privacy infrastructure, and cross-chain protocols. On the downside, Babylon leads decliners at 7.94%, with Athena off 3.95%, and Lit Protocol declining 2.76%. Mid to high single-digit selling in recent volatile names, with more modest weakness in synthetic dollar and privacy infrastructure, with losses roughly matching the magnitude of gains at the top of the range. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index holds at 15, unchanged for the fifth consecutive session, and remaining firmly anchored in extreme fear territory. The persistent stability at 15 occurs despite today's relatively balanced market structure, reinforcing the complete disconnect between daily price action and aggregate sentiment that has characterized the past week. The index has now held at 15 to 16 for 5 consecutive sessions, establishing the most prolonged extreme fear period observed in over a year. Market psychology demonstrates extraordinary resistance to any improvement, with balanced rotation, Bitcoin's brief recovery above $62,000, and occasional double-digit protocol gains all failing to shift sentiment from its deeply entrenched defensive baseline.